Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the OKX Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX Wallet app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to change the currency that is used to display your funds, then just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, which is a series of dots. Now from this page, tap on your profile settings on the arrow just alongside your name. This will then open up the user center page. From this page, tap on preferences, and now you will see various different options that you can change. Just tap on the currency section, and now you will see various different currencies that are available. Tap on whichever currency you wish to change into, and it will be applied to your application right away. After this, the currency that you have just chosen will be used to display all of your funds and the amounts within the market as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within the OKX Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.